Suni, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yay! Hari ni hari Khamis and hari ni hari bekerja. So kita bukan saja-saja keluar, kita bersama the one and only Reslin. Oh my god, the beauty. Reslin pada famous kat mana satu zaman dahulu tu?
Aduh, nak cakap
Cakap lah.
Kitanya Dewi Ramadan.
Dewi Ramadan. Hang muda lagi nak haram dah kereta ni. Ingat kami kereta kecil ni tak ada ni kah?
Tak.
Kita
naik kereta-kereta ni je, kereta-kereta tank.
Kita kata tank. Tapi kalau orang tak bagi laluan kat kita, mungkin dia takut.
Ya mungkin. Tak, so far kan I pernah lah accident. Tapi so far I accident kereta I okey. Kereta tu yang tak okey.
Oh, dia tak okey.
Kereta tu tak okey. So macam mana tu? Sebab tapi masalahnya dia langgar I, dia yang tak okey. Kereta I okey je.
Kereta you okey. Maksudnya you lagi power lah.
Yes, of
cover
course.
set you lagi power.
Oh, mestilah. Kereta I tank kot.
So I akan letak tank tu apa? Tank tu macam ni. Kita akan pergi event dekat Holiday Inn. So event tu macam talk something. So I just gonna bring you guys there. And I takkan cakap banyak sebab I akan malu. Tapi
Malu
kita akan
pula.
just bagi short. Kalau ada apa-apa kita akan record lah.
Dia tentang apa ya? It's about media. Sebab apa tu? It's about health.
Campaign health, pasal obesity, pasal health lah.
Sayangkan diri. Gitu.
Yang penting lips dia menang ya, number 1.
Maybelline babe.
Maybelline
Ya, Maybelline.
Ada Maybelline dah habis dah.
Oh iya ke?
Ya ke?
I combine. Okay, so my lip combo, tak siapa tanya. My lip combo is basically lip liner from Makeover.
Okay.
Limitless brown.
Okay.
And then
love.
and then after that macam MAC warm teddy.
Okay, I know that.
Warm teddy, and then we gloss it off with Maybelline. With Maybelline yang apa? Moon.
Lip gloss.
Ya, lip gloss tu. Lifter gloss in the shade Moon.
Yes.
So dapatlah macam ni.
Wah. You tinggal pasang bulu mata je, babe. Dah bady. Tapi itulah you malas kan?
I malas.
Yes. Tengok makeup I bady.
Oh, ni memang slay. Ni memang baddie. So tak pernah tak slay, okay?
I tak tahu nak ikat rambut ke, I nak lepas rambut I, sebab rambut I kembang babe macam singa. Sebab semalam kan I jadi canvas malam. Okay. So dia dah buat rambut I. So kembang tu dah dia punya curl tu dah terbuka. So bila I sikat dia jadi macam singa, lagi kembang.
Oh, faham.
So I macam insecure sikit. Macam terlalu berminyak sangat macam mana ke?
I think should be okay. Tapi I rasa macam today you look very clean.
Clean.
Very clean girl look macam tu.
Two baddies.
So corporate.
Aku sakit perut ni macam mana?
Very often is that obesity has been framed as a failure of discipline, personal weakness, personal issue, or simply a matter of appearance.
And this is a matter of concern because obesity significantly increases the risk of non-communicable diseases. So we always heard about diabetes.
Mark this moment a shift from judgment to understanding. Okay, we have another photo of
Sayangkan Cik Su.
Sayangkan Rizky.
Exactly. Say no to obesity.
Say no to obesity and care and compassion for your body.
Care and compassion for your body, babes. Lose fat, not muscle.
Stay skinny queen.
Thank you guys for creating.
They are from Novo Nordisk. This is the team, Novo Nordisk.
Action, long-term management, but most importantly, I think.
So guys, we are done with the event. Babe, mengantuk babe. Dia jangan buat event pagi-pagi babe. Lepas tu Reslin dia kata dia pergi toilet sakit perut. Aku pun sakit perut. Tapi aku tahan. Lepas tu aku macam, mana lah si Reslin ni tak main-main lagi. So aku macam tak apalah, maybe Reslin tengah mengantuk. Dia tengah apa ni, tengah ambil mood dia. Lepas tu aku duduk lah dengar aku macam, ya Allah sakit perut aku. Sakit perut tau. Yang hang kena berak. Lepas tu aku tahan sampai habis event baru aku pergi berak. Babe, berak tu tak relax babe. Dia keluar macam bom babe. Dia memang bom babe. Aku kata mampus pilah toilet sebelah dengar ke tak. Mampus lah. Janji aku dah berak keluar leganya. Angin lah, cirit ke apa ke, semua lega.
Baru lepas obesity talk, baru lepas talk about how obesity can ruin your life.
Yes, and don't take the precaution lambat. So if you rasa body you is giving the signal to go to the doctor, then you need to go to the doctor. You jangan tunggu, okay?
Tunggu.
So sekian daripada kami, daripada Ministry of Health.
Yes, thank you for listening to our pep talk. Yeah.
Signing out.
Bye.
So kita baca sama-sama. Allahumma barikana fima razaqana wa qina azabana. Amin.
Okay. Manalah pagi.
Ada rezeki tak?
Bismillah.
Ada rezeki tak? Gerang, ada rezeki tak?
Macam tak derjas.
Pusing lagi. If there's no parking, guys, we're gonna park in Bangsa Village and then we're gonna eat whatever that is in Bangsa Village.
Yeah. Because no one ain't got no time to like walk outside here.
Girl, ain't no time to walk there.
Exactly.
And it's gonna be freaking hot and we need to keep it this late
Exactly. For another event.
for another event. Hopefully it's a good event and we get flowers because
Yeah.
from the poster they had the flowers, so I hope there's flowers.
Can bring back all those flowers and keep it.
Yeah.
Buat semua kat rumah.
Are you like a flower girly?
No.
Oh, okay.
Okay, disclaimer to anyone who wants to give me flowers, don't. I tak suka flowers sebenarnya.
Oh, ya ke?
I like looking at them. I suka macam like I'm into art. I suka tengok bunga cantik-cantik, decorate and everything. But macam contoh macam boyfriend bagi bunga kat girlfriend macam
Yeah.
tu kan, that shit no, not for me. Don't give me flowers.
Oh, that's opposite of me.
I cannot. I memang tak suka.
I suka bunga weh. I rasa kalau dia tak tunjuk dekat I benda tu, tiba-tiba dia bagi dekat I bunga, I rasa
I lebih rela dia bawa I pergi makan.
oh, faham. So guys, we are having banana leaf dekat Nirwana. Oh my god.
Nirwana
It's the famous Nirwana.
I'm
Tekak Melayu, tekak
so
mamak.
hungry. Ya, tekak mamak.
Dekat mama.
What are we eating?
Kita makan nasi putih je, babe.
Ya, kita diet.
Kita diet je, makan macam tu je. Dah kenyang.
Sir, sangat sir.
Guys, this is all the condiments. I love it.
Love.
Tapi hari ni macam tak mau makan dengan tangan. So macam
Hari ni event.
hari ni event.
Tak boleh.
Saya hidup pasang-pasang bunga.
Bobo
Bukari.
kari.
Anyone want to say hi?
Makan ni yang sedap ni.
Yes.
Ada.
So guys, update. We are at Ben's Coffee. We are having coffee.
Having coffee. I just finished mine actually.
How's your dalgona?
It was so good. It was actually really good. Not so sweet. Dia macam not too sweet and it's just the right amount of sweetness.
Habis weh dia minum kopi. Aku ni
Lagi saya kalau kencing bokofi lah.
bokofi.
Bokefi.
Bokofi, kefin lah. Kalau tadi pagi kalau I minum kopi memang
Oh my god, babe. Meletup you dekat tu.
Meletup,
Sebelum
babe.
sampai toilet you dah meletup.
I jadi macam yang white chicks tu, babe. Nanti I insert
Yang itu insert yang Look at how cute we are.
Jangan thumbnail.
Okay.
Love.
So comel.
Love it. Guess what, guys?
We're late.
We're late.
We mislooked at the time.
Aku ingat pukul 4. Lepas tu orang tu PIC tu tanya I, we are ready to start. Lepas aku cakap start apanya? Baru pukul 3 kan? Rupanya dia start pukul 3, babe. Kita pula tengah minum-minum manja-manja. Terus berlari, nasib baik 20 minit kan? Oh, push. Bodoh. As for my drink, I got we are at Arabica, babe. And my drink is Spanish latte with oat milk. Oh my god, it's so sedap, babe. Sumpah sedap gila. What's your drink, babe?
Mine is actually matcha latte with oat milk as well. Ada mana ambil dari tepi ni? Mana sign Arabica tea. So we're at Arabica.
Kenapa you punya besar?
Itulah, I don't know why. Why is my
This is called discrimination.
Dia tengok you dah besar, dia bagi you kecil.
Dia kata, cakap sekali lagi.
Dia tengok you dah besar, so dia bagi yang kecil.
Kita baru je pergi kelas obesity. Yang penting lipstick penuh, nak haram dah. Orang semua dah habis tau. Kami dulu kalut. Sebab kami main lambat. Whatever.
It's okay, we're
Guys, we are so busy. Look what we've done. Oh my
We
god.
forgot about our vlog, but
We
were
forgot our
busy.
vlog. We are so busy.
Yeah, we were busy doing this.
Yes. Look at Reslin's bouquet.
It's a mini
So
bouquet.
clean, so cute. Blue. And this is mine. So
Bomb
extra. I am
diva.
extra. And this is like a workshop for everyone. So like you boleh datang and buat workshop tu, sumpah comel gila, doh. Look at hers, bling bling. And then ada food kat belakang. Of course aku akan makan pastry tu nya. Guys, I forgot you guys. Kejap.
I forgot about the vlog. Hey guys.
Cuba nak buat yang tu.
Apa tu? Oh,
Dah buat tu.
Okay, ya. So, wait, nak kena fikir air ni dari mana?
Miu Miu.
You mean? Okay, after that. Oh my god.
Oh my god, it's so cantik babe. I mean like okay, catwalk.
Okay, sorry for that. Yes, girl, pose. Woo! Okay.
Guys, we already reached our house. So thank you so much for watching the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is Reslin. What's your handle?
Okay, bawah ni. It's all basically Rizlin Shafira.
Exactly. Thank you so much, Reslin, for today. I hope you enjoyed. Did you enjoy?
I enjoyed
Oh my
it
God.
so much.
It was a full day.
Non-stop laughing from like morning. Oh my god, we were out since morning.
Since morning, babe.
Oh my god, ngantuknya kita dah pernah tertidur dalam organisation tadi tu.
Yeah, weh. Tapi macam nasib baik kita berak kan.
Yeah.
Tetap cerita berak juga. So thank you so much guys for watching the vlog. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Do comment if you suka Reslin so that I boleh buat content lagi dengan Reslin, okay?
Yes.